How to treat combination skin. Combination skin is simply having oily skin in some areas of your face and dry skin in other areas. Typically, there's a mix of oily and dry areas on different parts of your face, with the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin being slightly to very oily. 1. Use a gentle facial cleanser. 2. Gently exfoliate. 3. Hydrate your skin. 4. Stop touching your face. 5. Blot away oil. 6. Make broad-spectrum sunscreen your BFF. 7. Treat your complexion to a face mask. 8. Don't forget about your eyes. For the best skin and hair care products, you can check out our Instagram page Baryal Glamour, a luxury skincare brand, beauty beyond the boundaries. Do subscribe to our channel and follow on Instagram as well.